Hey everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to wash your hands, which you should probably do almost every time after you take a fat dump. Start by getting yourself a nice palm full of soap, just like that. Did you see that? Let's look again. Did you see it? Let's check it out one more time. And another. Again. Once more. More. Another. One more time. Again. Again, please. Watch closely now. Did you see? Watch again. Look, watch it again. Once more. Once more again. One more time. Look there. Did you see? Watch. Just watch. Look. Again. Again. Again.